Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Redesign 16. If you're new, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I, excuse me, I have a cold, when I post new videos. First come, first serve. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a hair video, and I'm going to be showing you this generic value product heat defense hairspray. It's compared to the Paul Mitchell hot off the press thermal protection hairspray. This is Sally Beauty's version of it. So if you want to know how it turns out, keep on watching. Hey guys, you're probably wondering why I don't have makeup on yet. This is not a makeup tutorial. I am actually doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to be testing out this generic value product heat defense hairspray, and it's compared to the Paul Mitchell hot off the press thermal protection hairspray. I picked it up at Sally's for like around $8. This stuff is amazing. I have used it to straighten my hair. I'm just testing it out to see how well my curl, I'm going to be curling it in this video, how it holds up. It says thermal protection hairspray with touchable hold, and I will insert pictures of all of this at the end of the video, but I kind of wanted to go over the product before I use it. So it says directions: spray onto dry hair before using a hot iron. So maybe this is only for dry hair, I don't know. But a curling iron is an iron. After styling, spray all over to lock in the look. And I actually do it a little bit different, and you'll see in the video. I pin half my hair up, then spray it, wait a little bit, then curl it, and it actually holds, and I do spray it. So this down here, right here, small writing, but I'll insert a picture. The generic ingredient comparison as of 2017, so it is 4 years old. The generic value product heat defense hairspray is alcohol in it. Sorry guys, I'm holding out. So I will insert, because this is really small writing, and I'll zoom in so that you guys can see, because it's really small writing. But basically the first ingredients is the same thing. So let's move on. I don't know how, it doesn't say the heat level that you can use it on. Oh. Turn above 120 Fahrenheit or in the direction of the sunlight. Keep out of reach of children. Do not place in hot water or near radiation stoves or other sources of heat. Use only as directed. So this stuff, I guess, cannot be in 120 degree weather. Yeah, I don't know, but it doesn't say the heat level. And for me, I've used my straightener, and I've gone up to 100, no, 450, but that's my preference. You know, if you want to go a little bit less, I've done 410 too, but that's my own doing. That yours could be totally different. You could have fine hair and you might have need less, or if you have a little bit thicker hair, you might need a little bit more. But I go between 410 and 450, but that's my preference. You know, if you try it and say, well, it did this to my hair because you said this, well, I know my hair better than your hair. So that's like what I'm trying to say. Don't come back and say, well, you said, well, I'm telling you what works for me. So, let's get started. I'm going to jump right into it. So, yeah, I'm excited to show you guys this. Okay, sorry guys if my camera is a little bit blurry. I tried to wipe it off and this is how it turned out. So I'm sorry if it's a little bit blurry. So one thing I wanted to say that I missed was it comes in with a cap. You can take on and off. It's a spray and it has 6 ounces of spray in it. So I've used it already a couple of times. There's a lot left. I can't even talk right. So I'm just putting half of my hair up. And I'm just going to start curling. And I'm going to take my rubber band and tie it up in a little bit of a messy bun, and I don't know why this hair is out. So I am going to take the spray and just lightly spray it, not a whole bunch. Then I'm going to do it on that side. So my hair is growing. I am not a hairstylist by any means. I just love to do hair. But I am taking collagen and biotin together. They are gummies. And I've been taking them since September, almost the end of September. So about 5 months, and my hair has really grown. I sometimes wear my hair extensions, but not very often anymore because my hair is growing. So I'm going to let that dry. Oh, there's like more hair there. So then I'm going to take my curling iron I got years ago and just curl it up. This, I think it's a 1 inch. And I'm going to hold it there for about 20 seconds. I think I need a longer piece because this is all new hair. So I'm going to take this hair and see how it's not sizzling, it's not crunchy at all, and I'm totally messing up here. Is it not looking? Ooh, got part of my neck. So I am going to do one more piece and then I'm going to time lapse the rest of it so I don't bore you guys at all. So there's the curl. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to do one more piece. I'm just pulling it all down so that way when I'm ready to do the rest of the video, yeah, I can do it. So I'm just gonna spray lightly again. And this color right here, if you're wondering how I got it, I did a tutorial on it, and it's just a shampoo. So I'm going to start with the back piece. I did a tutorial on the hair. It's a shampoo. It's called Punky Color. So, and I'm just taking about an inch, and I'm gonna just start curling. I'm gonna go upwards and see how it turned out. And you don't want to get it right close up to your scalp because you will burn yourself. I have learned that lesson. I'm going to hold it there for about 20 to 30 seconds. Oh, see, did I learn my lesson? See how that curl turned out? Super pretty, very pretty. So now I'm going to time lapse the rest of it so I don't bore you guys and come back with the end result. Okay, so as you can see, I curled all of it. I let it cool because I did my makeup off camera. So I am going to spray all of it. And, oh, don't spray that much. But this is how it turned out. I'm going to show you in the back how it turned out. I really like this. I advise that you go pick it up. It's from Sally Beauties. It was only $8, and I want to say that I can't really compare it to the Paul Mitchell because I've never used any Paul Mitchell products. I've heard that they're really good. So I'll have to maybe buy some of Paul Mitchell's stuff and test it out and do a tutorial on that. But I've only used this product and I'm in love with it. I picked it up a couple weeks ago, so it's lasted me a long time. You don't need much, and trust me, like this will hold my hair, and I totally missed a curl right there. So I'm going quickly. I have my curling iron on still, and I'm just gonna curl it. Like, this is amazing, and my hair is growing. So just hold it there, and I just kind of want a loose curl. So this is how this product works on here. I might do another tutorial on the same one doing my hair straight so you guys can see the difference between straight and curly. So, but I'm in love with this. I advise that you go pick it up. I have no complaints about it at all. This is a good product. I think it was around $8 like I said. So yeah, I totally recommend that you go pick this up. It says consumer education guaranteed on the back panel. So that means it will educate you. So if you enjoyed this video and it was very helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up or a like. Please also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every week. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.